From Brazil. My name is Arturo and I'm from Honduras and I'm personal trainer of Ivan, my friend from Brazil. Now I want to explain you that he's working out his body because he wants to burn all the fat. So he's going to use the bicycle. And now we start to use the bicycle. Ivan.
É isso aí, galera. Tem que seguir as orientações. Estou cansado desse novo dia, mas tem que seguir aqui as orientações do personal trainer. Velocidade 6, tempo meia hora calculado e vamos embora treinar. Vamos eliminar essa barriga. É isso aí. Novo dia de academia. Agora eu vou parar de falar, senão eu não consigo pedalar.
Now this is the step number 2. After that, he already finished to use the bicycle, 30 minutes with the velocity of 6 kilometers per second. So now he starts to use this machine for run. Maybe he's going to run 30 minutes. And now, Ivan start.
É, cara, ter um personal trainer não é nada fácil. Vamos lá. Calcular 30 minutos agora, velocidade 6, velocidade 10, 30 minutos de corrida agora. É isso aí, Arturo. Vamos que vamos. Vamos pegar essa barriga.
Come on, my friend. Fast, my friend.
Mais rápido?
Yes.
Eita, nós.
Now this is the step number 3 in this training. So now Ivan he start to use this machine for abs, make abdominals. Maybe he's going to make 20 repeats. I hope this guy maybe in 5 months or near to finish his contract can be like this to burn all the fat, and I hope so. Good luck, Ivan.
Vamos lá, essa barriga tem que sumir até acabar o contrato, diz o personal trainer. Não ela some, some eu. Vambora.
Now this is the step number 4. We almost finished all this training on this day because now my friend from Brazil, Ivan, he's very tired and he needs to drink something, water or energy drink. So he started to make push-ups. These push-ups is to make the good arms, to make big muscles. So it's for arms and chest. So he started to make push-ups like this. Like this, looking in front. Is 1, 2, and 3. So now Ivan is your turn.
Vamos nós. 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, all my people, I want to say goodbye in this training. This is for first video making this kind of exercise. I hope that you enjoy all this video, and maybe tomorrow we have to make another one. So Ivan, he has to training very hard, so you have to training every day and start to eat more food healthy, okay?
Ok, Arturo. Obrigado. Valeu, galera. Até o próximo treinamento amanhã. Fui!